Okay, we've got a £21 million house in Notting Hill, London from the Grant J. Bates TikTok channel. Let's see what 21 million quid gets you. So, fairly formal frontage. Scissor lift for the car. Presumably that's so that you can park twice as many cars on site as you otherwise would on the driveway. And I'm guessing it's because of the number of bedrooms in the house. From the planning department's point of view, the more bedrooms you have, the more cars you have, and therefore, rather than parking them on the street, you have to be able to park them off street. Or it could just be that people want to have cars off street as a luxury for themselves, something that they wouldn't otherwise be able to have on a house this size. Either way, I've never done one of these myself. I don't think I ever will. In we go. Whoa, slow down. Okay, this hallway is really quite basic. It's like narrow, there's no massive sense of arrival, and we get a shot of the luxury courtyard. Okay, so all the businesses out the back. Okay, so we've got this dining room that looks more like a corporate boardroom. You've got to walk through it, and then okay, there's a lot to take in. You've got this really dull, uninspiring entrance, the corporate boardroom slash dining room, and then you've got this really sharp, modern cloisters, would be the way I would describe it. It's like a covered walkway, and there's almost no privacy. I mean, look how many windows that are overlooking that. If it was me, I'd have put a roof on top of this thing. You see these shiny tiles a lot as well. So what we've got here, okay, we've got a sort of garden room with a lift and a pool. Oh, okay. So we've got 2 floors below ground. That will have cost a fortune. And we can see into the pool. What else is happening? That's okay. That's it. What is the purpose of that lower floor? Why does that exist? There's nothing else down there. It's just a corridor that goes from the lift in the background, which you can get out of here, I presume, as well, past the pool, look into the pool, and then up the stairs to get to the pool. There must be more to it than that. That just seems odd. And we've got a entertaining area, pool room, jacuzzi, nice. Home cinema. So there's the jacuzzi, steam room, I'm guessing sauna in the background. I like this. I like how the steps come up and then go either side of the stairs. Of course, if you go up here, you'll bang your head. Right, okay, we're in the kitchen. Belfast sink, Aga, possibly. Doesn't seem that big a kitchen for a 6-bedroom house, and it's, again, kind of uninspiring. I mean, it's fine. Living room, good grief, is that it? I've had bigger living rooms in student flats. Oh, now we're in the master bedroom. Nicely finished wardrobe, feature bathtub. That's it. Okay, so I don't know what you think about that. It looks kind of uninspiring, I'll be honest with you, and enormously expensive, both probably to build and certainly to purchase. And all the business seems to have gone underground. They've taken what was probably a fairly modest detached house, put an enormous amount of effort into making this luxury spa area underground, but not really done much with the kitchens and bathrooms as far as I can tell. The entrance doesn't look that interesting either. This place flatters to deceive. I couldn't say whether it's worth £21 million, but I'm not all that impressed. Let me know what you think in the comments.